This one started with panic. A major UK-based retail group reached out just 3 weeks before their Microsoft renewal deadline. They'd been auto-renewing Power BI Premium, Power Apps, and bundled Dynamics 365 licenses for over 2 years, assuming it was all being used across their business units. It wasn't. What we found? Less than 15% of their users had logged into Power BI in the past 90 days. Their Power Apps environment was barely configured, and the Dynamics 365 bundle? Turned on, but completely unused. They were burning close to $300,000 a year on licenses that had zero operational impact. Here's what Redress Compliance did. We ran a full consumption audit across Power Platform and Dynamics, validating actual usage versus licensed entitlements. We removed the unnecessary Power BI Premium capacity and replaced it with per-user licensing for the actual analysts using it. We eliminated unused Power Apps and Dynamics licenses and restructured their SKUs based on planned adoption, not vendor upsell. We renegotiated with Microsoft to strip out shelfware from their EA and avoided another 3-year lock-in. Final result, $900,000 in savings over the next term, with zero disruption, no end-user complaints, and a roadmap they actually control. Visit redresscompliance.com. If you're blindly auto-renewing Power Platform or Dynamics licenses, you're paying for tools no one's using. Let's fix that.